你好, welcome. Today we are going to make Xianzhuangshu. Xianzhuangshu. Xian is thread. Zhuang is pack or packing. So use thread to pack papers to make a book. So Xianzhuangshu. In the old days, in China, we have different kind of old books. Say, bamboo roller strip. This is the bamboo roller strip. This is the bamboo strip. And then we combine them with a thread to make it a book. And then we use write on silk cloth. And then with the times go on, we use paper. Yes, with paper, we know how to use printing. Broad printing or movable type printing. Broad printing, we have the history of about 2,000 years ago. Movable, we have about 1,000 years ago. So we are very sophisticated in printing. And today, how to make a book? All you need over here. 针 线 纸 打孔器 锥子 锤子 This is the book that made by myself. This is my seal collection book. I made it myself. You can take a look at this. Oh, this is quite old. And then this is my seal, my own seal. And this is the bookmark. I made it myself. Okay. You can use it to make it in English or any other characters. Just the initials. Okay. This is one of the books. And here, over here, we have different kinds of books. Today, we're going to make something like this with hardcover. And you can buy some kind of books like this in the market. This is also the stamp collection books. Usually, the cover page is soft papers. Okay. And now, how to make it? First of all, you have to find the cover page and the back. Okay. Today, I use paperboard. If you use hard paper, you have to make a line over here before. How to make this one? Very easy. Use something sharp, something hard. Just do something like this on the paper. Okay? And then you will have a line. This is more easy for you to fold it. Right? Okay. Let's start. This is the cover. How to make the... We have to make several holes. Usually 4 holes on this cover. How to make it? Draw a line and then set the 2 points at each corner. Make sure that these 2 holes are near to the edge. Okay? So to make it tight. And then in between this portion, you can separate this portion into different equal portions. For me, here, I make 3 portions. So that means I add 2 points, right? Equal length as you like. And then you make the holes on it. How to make it? Very easy. Use a punch and a hammer. So you just make a hole and then something like this. Right? Because it's too noisy, I won't do it in front of you. And then you can find the papers. Papers. This is the traditional Chinese writing paper. 宣纸. We have the knowledge of printing, right? And then just fold them in half. And this is the inside page. If you like, you can use other materials aside from paper, just like the plastic wrap. So you can put the photos inside. Just bind over here, right? Okay, so you can have a stack of paper like this. How to make this hole? Very easy. You put it together and then use an awl over here. This is an awl. Hammer again. Okay, you can make the holes. If you use paper bag, you can just do it without the holes, right? This is because the paper are very soft. Okay, and then you can start with combining them together. How to use it? Needles and thread. Today I use a traditional white cotton thread. You can use silk or any other material. We use white so to make a very sharp color contrast with the cover page. So you can find something dark for the cover page. Okay, let's start. You can start with a corner. make sure you start in the middle, just like this one. Okay, so this is the end, and we start with a corner. First, you can make a loop. Any direction is okay. For this one loop, and then we make the second loop. This is the second loop. You can see. This time I seal the corner, right? Tighten them, okay? And then you go on, work from one corner to the other corner. Very simple, just like this. Okay, and then one by one, making a loop, and then you go on to the other end, right? And then do the same at the other end. And then this one, and then another loop, like this. You can see that you seal both columns, but actually it's not yet done, right? You have to sew again, get it back to the starting point, like this, and then at the back, get into it, like this, okay? And this is the final one. See that? In front and at the back, very, very nice. And then you have to make sure that you make a knot. Make a knot, very simple knot like this. Tighten it up, and then hold it, pull. You see that? This is a knot. And the final one is to put this knot inside the book. See? Hide the knot in the book, and then cut it, and that's all. Okay. Some of my students will find that this cover page is very familiar, right? Because this is our gift box. You can use any kind of cartoon box, and then we use the material you have on hand. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.